so fucking dusty. I gotta hang up on you, bitch.
Pull up. Come on, make it work. Pull up.
What's up and good morning, you guys. Today is Monday. Today is another day in the life vlog. Right, daughter? So I have no coffee creamer, and that is something that's just unacceptable. So I Instacarted some groceries. I'm having some friends over for dinner tomorrow, so I need to grab a couple things anyways. So that all worked out. But yeah, I'm just laying in bed until these damn groceries come because I need to clean my house because I left it a mess last night. But yeah, so I fed Shy. She'll probably go down for a morning nap pretty soon. Yeah. 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 I know she's in my armpit. Okay, so we're just chilling in bed. She'll honestly probably go down for her morning nap by the time the groceries get here, which will probably work out perfectly. So she can sleep, I can get my coffee, and I can clean up this damn house. Last night we were watching the football games all day. I already know what it is on a Sunday. And by the end of the day, I was so tired. I did not feel like cleaning. And I was so focused on football that I just didn't even take a break to pick up after myself. So whatever. Yeah, I want to try to put these closet doors on today as well. I have like football game tonight, Monday Night Football, so we'll see.
Come on, make it work. Pull up. Come on, make it work. Pull up.
Hi. Hi. Alright, y'all. So we're back in the bed, but my house is clean. Mommy, how are you farting, girl? The hell? Girl, you cannot have my... Girl, I gotta hide this phone from her. Okay, so... I really don't want to play this fucking flag football game today, but I'm going to because I'm a part of a team, and that's the right thing to do. And plus, I need to start being better with commitments. It just gives me a headache thinking about it. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. Can we talk about how cute my daughter is? Because she's so cute. You smell so good. That lotion is bomb. Okay, so I want to start going on a jog like every single day. Are you laying down like your mom? Okay, so I want to start going on a jog like every single day. Oh, something fuzz on my lip. Okay, for the third time, I want to start going on a jog every day because I need the fucking cardio. 1, for fat loss. For 2, for my health, which should be number 1. And for 3, I need more endurance. I need more endurance. I want more kids. I want to be able to run around with my kids and not get tired. So I need to start building my endurance. And in order to do that, you have to do cardio. Period. So we're going to start doing cardio. So I'm going to take her, like I think I'm going to take her stroller. And then like I have a small neighborhood. It's just like one circle, like one loop. So I think so at first I was like, I'm going to run around it 4 times. But that seems kind of like a lot. Does that seem like a lot, Dutter? It seems like a lot. Ow! Well, damn. Don't scratch your mommy. Ow! Ow! Okay, you're not about to beat me up. You're not about to do all that. Sorry. Sorry. Go beat someone else up. I beat you 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 up, girl. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do 2 at least, and then if I could push myself to 3, that'd be great. And if I get 4, I'm clearly just a bad bitch. So we're gonna see how that works out. And I also want to put my closet doors up, so that's kind of like the goal for today. I kind of want to make some content for TikTok, so but that may become tomorrow because I think I need to put my closet doors up today. Let's see that little list I had last week. Because it's Monday and I know I didn't finish it. Why does my fucking thing keep sliding? Alright, let's see. Okay, so this was my weekly must do. Okay, let's see what we did. I did do 3 videos on YouTube. I did do 5 TikToks. I made my pound cake mix, garlic powder, onion powder, projector screen. Okay, so I didn't do a lot of shit on my house stuff. I wanted to finish painting this room last week. I didn't do it. I wanted to do the closet doors last week. I didn't do it. And I wanted to start the paint removal on my fireplace. And I didn't do it. You got it, girl. Go get it. Go get it, girl. Go get it, girl. Go get it. You go get it. I'm not getting it for you. Okay, show mommy how you get it. That is not how you go get it, girl. Why did your face go red like that? Okay, this is what I hope you do. I hope you get on your belly, okay? How about that? Are you gonna go for it? Okay, go on your knees. Here, mommy help. Mommy help. Knees. You got your knees up. Ah, you got way down. You can't lay down. You're a little girl. You're supposed to crawl. You're supposed to crawl. Okay, wanna try again, baby? Okay, mommy help. All right, let's Get on your knees. You can do it. It's okay. Is that funny? That funny. Okay. What are you gonna do? Right here. Right there. Okay. There you go. You did it! Yay! Okay. Good job, baby. Take it back, take it back, take it back. Okay, get on your legs, baby. Can you do it by yourself? What? Can you do it by yourself? Are you tired? Are you tired? Okay, okay. Alright, enough of all this. What are we gonna do? Oh yeah, so I think that the painting of my room is just an easier task to get done. So I think that we should put my closet doors on in Shy's room. And then I think that we should go on that run, which I don't want to do, but I gotta get this sugar down, and because I've already, since I stopped doing Pilates, which I'm gonna start doing again, I've just seen my body digress.
Pull up. Come on, make it work. Pull up. Come on, make it work. Pull up. Come on, make it work. Pull up.
I'm so happy. Okay, I'm feeding my daughter. She is cussing me out. I'm so happy. Something off the list. It was way easier than I thought it was gonna be. Just feeling like a bad bitch now. Y'all, I'm so happy. Like, literally, we bought this house in when? July? I've been waiting to do that since July. It's damn near the end of October. About to be November. Like, let me just look at it again. Let me look at it again. Ah! I love it. It makes the room look so much better. I'm so happy. Okay. So now I'm about to just feed Shy and probably get her down for a nap. Then I think I'm gonna, I want to go on that run. We'll see how she feels after I'm done feeding her. I need to drink some water though. Got me some sparkling water. I'm about to get myself real cozy. She was upset, y'all. She was upset. She was like, Mom, you're taking too long. My precious baby. Shy's laid down for her midday nap, so I'm gonna go ahead and just get this painting done because why not? And I have her in this room, so she's not gonna smell the paint fumes. So let's go get the ladder. I'm in such a good mood. Like, I gotta tell y'all, I'm not sure if it's the Virgo in me, but accomplishing tasks, that's always gonna make me feel good. Okay, so we need a ladder, we need paint rollers, and we need paint. And so I thought about the run. I'm not going to do the run today because I'm about to play 2 flag football games in a row, which is plenty of fucking running. So we can start the running tomorrow. Alright, stay-at-home mom life. I'm trying to get the painting done in here, y'all. I mean, you know, slowly but surely. And Shy didn't go down for her nap. I don't know if it's because she was in her room, but she has napped in there before. But y'all, she wants to be picked up so bad. She wants to be picked up so bad. Bitch, goddamn camera, shut the fuck up.
Oh, I didn't see your stupid ass. Shit. What the fuck? I already knew this. What the fuck you telling me again for?
I might mess around and actually do that. I might have to cut these down.
Just a cutie girl, the cutest girl in the world. You're just the cutest girl, the cutest girl in the world. Bitch, what the fuck you laughing about?
Bitch, you're so fucking dusty. I gotta hang up on you, bitch. Gotta go. Y'all, I'm so fucking tired. I'm so hot, and I just took the thermostat and it's turned off. And I think it's turned off because my house got all smoky. I think it's like a setting with like the security system, which is, I don't know, irritating. So I'm hot as fuck. But I just put dinner in the oven. I did the dishes. Shy still has not taken a nap since this morning. She has not taken her midday nap and now her late nap, which she should be taking anytime now. And we have 2 football games. My dad's gonna come and watch her, and I want her to take a nap so she's like cool, you know, like I don't want her to be like fussy with my dad. And I don't know if it's because she's in her room. I don't know, but she needs to just fall asleep. Right now she's calm at least. She's just staring, so hopefully she just falls asleep. Her sound machine's on in there too. But I'm gonna finish up this room because I want to, 1, not waste my paintbrushes, and then 2, get it done so it can, the air can be going while we're gone. So when we come back tonight, everything's dry. So obviously, like, there's no paint fumes for Shy. So I'm about to get this shit done. Renee should be here soon. And yeah. And it's like, I don't know why I be doing the most. Like, today was not a good day. Well, okay. 1, I was on a roll today. So, like you guys see, I was like, okay, damn, let me get some shit done. And then I was really getting shit done and checking shit off my list. So I'm feeling good today. But now I'm, like, crashing. I'm tired. I have 2 football games tonight. Back to back. Yeah. I'm just gonna make some more fucking coffee before I leave. Alright, let me get this mother shit going, y'all. So it's 4:38. The second coat is done in my room. Shy still has not taken a nap. So I'm just gonna lay with her here on the couch. And hopefully I can get her to go to sleep. I'm not mentally tired, like, I'm just like physically tired. I do feel so happy about what I've accomplished today though. But this is also why it ties into when I was telling you guys about how I need to get my endurance up and do cardio, because I feel like that's gonna help me. One, working out just helps you motivate, endorphins, just keeps you energized. So this last month of me not working out, I think affected that a lot. But also with the cardio, just to have more like stamina, endurance is something I really want in my life. I hate grinding. I'm a lazy bitch these days. You gotta put so much work in to like be who you want to be in life. Sometimes that can feel overwhelming. But when you are who you want to be in life, you're gonna feel great. If any of y'all are like struggling too, of like trying to be who you want to be, like putting in all the work that needs to be put in to get to where you want to be in all areas of your life. It don't matter if it's just growth in you as a person, you with different relationships in your life, family, friends, significant others, if it's you at work, if it's you with your children, if it's you with your animals, just anything in any areas of y'all's life where you're struggling with and, you know, trying to strive to be the best that you can be. Don't stop, but just know that it's hard as fuck, but keep doing it, you know. Keep doing it, don't stop. And you are an inspiration, and you are the motivation. You are the role model, you know what I mean? And that's a very powerful thing to be. All right, y'all. I can't talk no more. I'm about to try to just sit here and relax. I need to drink some more water. I'm gonna wait for Renee to get here, though, to grab me one. Okay. I'll see you guys in a little bit. She finally fell asleep like 5 minutes into a car ride. And she's so cute. So I'm tired still, obviously. Dinner was good, but I'm annoyed because my phone's not working. So I left it at home. So hopefully I can come back home and it'll be working better. But I did order that new phone, but it's not here yet, and it's just still a process. Like, I have a bunch of footage on there from my blog for TikTok that I don't want to lose, and I don't know, it's just irritating. Like, I just have no phone, and like, nobody likes to have no phone, right? Anyways, so hopefully when I get back it'll start working better. I just left it to charge, so we'll see. But we're on our way to our game. My dad's gonna be there to watch Shy. And yeah, so right now we're writing some plays down because, well, we only got one play right now, but we will have some. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get these plays done, and then I'll see y'all on the field. Okay? Okay. You thinking, mommy?
Hey.
Hi.
Look. Hey. Uncle Keith. Me and my
Your
little
Uncle Kiki? We are back from flag football. I did not really record because we got there and pretty much got straight to playing our games. We really didn't even have a break in between the games. Shy is asleep. I'll show you guys real quick. And my dog is stalking me. We came home and I gave her a bath because she was so like, we were sweaty, so like her clothes got like wet. So I had to give her a bath real quick. And then I laid her down to sleep. So y'all, Renee, we're hoping he just sprained his ankle. I'm gonna show you, he's in the bathtub right now staring at me like, don't put me in this damn camera. I'm gonna show you guys his ankle. It is so swollen. Like, his foot is swollen. It's not just the ankle. So keep him in y'all prayers that, one, he has an easy recovery, a speedy recovery, and that it's nothing serious. Like, all of this is swollen. This is all swollen, and this right here is swollen. So, yeah. We did really good, though. Honestly, our team did good, so that was good. I'm so tired. My back hurts so bad. And I don't know. I think it just, like, I don't know, y'all. My phone is, like, fucked up. Oh, I marinated the meat for tomorrow's dinner. Remember I told you guys I was gonna have that dinner, little dinner with our friends. This is it, and I have them marinating, so I hope that they come out bomb. I feel like I'm just so happy with my day. Like, I finally got the closet doors on. I finally painted the room. It's finished. I played 2 football games, which is like exercise and good. All right, y'all, we making these little margaritas. You already know.
That was the 4th sack.
We are gonna just watch the game together and enjoy our margaritas. Cheers, baby. I love you. I hope you guys have been noticing the consistency. Yes, okay. I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. Make sure you guys hit your post notification button so you know when I post. And other than that, it's been a long ass day, y'all. But I love you guys. Thank you for the love and support. And till next time.